Detox and body cleanse products like ParaVanish claim to flush toxins, improve digestion, boost energy, even help with weight loss. But the big question is, does it actually work or is it just marketing hype? Let's look at what science and real feedback say. So ParaVanish markets itself as a body cleanse supplement designed to help you rid your system of toxins, improve gut health, and promote overall wellness. Ads often use dramatic before and after imagery, testimonials, and buzzwords like natural detox and full system reset. But does the supplement really cleanse your whole body? Let's separate claims from reality. Here's a key point from medical science. Your liver and kidneys are your body's real detox systems. They filter and remove waste continuously without supplements. There's no credible evidence that any pill, powder, or body cleanse can suddenly flush toxins in a way that your body isn't already doing naturally. Studies show that hydration, balanced diet, fiber, and exercise are much more impactful for digestive and metabolic health than any detox supplement. So if ParaVanish claims to detox your entire system, that's a huge red flag without strong scientific backing. Most cleansers, including ParaVanish, contain combinations of herbs and plant extracts, sometimes linked to mild digestion support, fiber which can promote bowel regularity, and diuretics or laxatives which may increase urination or bowel movements. An important clarification: these ingredients don't remove system toxins from your organ. They primarily work by affecting digestion or elimination, which some people feel like a detox effect, but it's not actually toxin removal. So yes, you might have more frequent bathroom visits or temporary relief from bloating, but that's not the same as cleansing your entire body. Some user experiences with body cleansers are often mixed. Some people report mild digestive improvement, some like the placebo or motivational boost. However, others see no differences at all, and some experience nausea, cramps, or dehydration, especially with laxatives type ingredients. A few report temporary results that go away once the supplement stops. This pattern suggests that any effects are usually temporary and linked to digestion changes, not systematic detoxification. So does ParaVanish body cleanse actually work? Not in the whole body detox sense that the ads imply, because no supplement has been shown to magically remove toxins from organs. Any temporary digestive changes are likely due to fiber, mild laxatives, or placebo effect, not metabolic detox. Bottom line, if you want real health improvements, focus on eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, stay hydrated, getting regular exercise, and prioritizing sleep. Supplements like ParaVanish aren't bad per se for occasional digestive support, but they're not proven body cleansers and should never replace medical advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.